red color, black color, blue color, yellow color, green color, and yellow ochre color. So kids, now you draw A and use red color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for helicopter, I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use black color. J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose. Kids, now you draw S and use blue color. S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for van, W for wheel, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1 and use yellow color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Kids, the next one is Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Stay with us. White color, kids. The next one is pink color. The next one is exactly orange color. And the next one is black color. Stay with us. Black color. Kids, the next one is blue color. Green color. Kids, the next one is yellow ochre color. Nice colors. Stay with us. Kids, the next one is purple color. Now we open the color of purple color. Stay with us. The next one is yellow color. The color of yellow color. And the next one is red color. Red color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Dark gray color. Now we open the color of dark gray. And the next one is light gray color. Stay with us. Nice colors. Yellow color. And the next one is white color. Yes, pink color. Red color. The next one is purple color. Yes, nice colors. Orange color. Green color. Kids, now we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. First we are using the color of purple color and writing the alphabet of A for apple. And the next one is B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. Stay with us. Nice color, orange color, and writing the alphabet of D. Wow. The next one is E. E for egg. F. F for fish. F for fan. Dark gray color writing the alphabet of G. Stay with us. G for God. And the next one is H. H for hand. H for hand. I. I for ice. I for ice cream. Now we open the color of blue. Blue color writing the alphabet of J. J for joker. K. K for kite. And the next one is L. L for lion. L for lemon. Exactly, M. M for moon. Black color. Now we're writing the alphabet of N. And the next one is O. O for orange. P. P for penguin. The alphabet of Q. Kids, stay with us. R. S. S for sun. Yellow color. Exactly. T. The next one is U. U for umbrella. V. W. X. And the next one is Y. The last one is Z.
Blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, yellow ochre color, and black color. So kids, now you draw one and use blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kids, now you draw 5. The numbers are 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kids, now you draw 9. The numbers of 9 and use yellow color. 9, 10, 11. Kids, now you draw 12. The numbers of 12. 12, 13, 14. Kids, now you draw 15. The numbers are 15. 15, 16, 17. Kids, now you draw 18. The numbers of 18. 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.